NASA scientists are now one step closer to unlocking the deepest mysteries of the universe. Just yesterday, the James Webb Space Telescope achieved something truly historic, completing its final deployment sequence and capturing an image that has left the entire scientific community in awe. For the first time in human history, we've seen Proxima b, not as a distant speck of light, but as a real world. A world orbiting the closest star to our Sun, Proxima Centauri. Before we dive into this breathtaking discovery, make sure to like this video and subscribe for more groundbreaking updates from the frontiers of space exploration. When NASA released the image, it wasn't just another distant blur. It was a textured, living planet, bathed in the faint red glow of its star. Using its cutting-edge near-infrared camera, NIR-CAM, and mid-infrared instrument, MIRI, Webb cut through layers of cosmic dust and electromagnetic noise that have hidden exoplanets from view for decades. What emerged was the clearest, most detailed image ever captured of an alien world. Surface patterns, atmospheric layers, even hints of polar ice caps, all visible with astonishing precision. This wasn't science fiction anymore. It was reality, and humanity was finally staring back at another Earth-like planet. For decades, scientists knew Proxima b only through indirect methods, the faint dimming of its host star or subtle wobbles in its motion. But those were just numbers and guesses. Now, for the first time, Webb has isolated the planet's actual light, filtering out the blinding glare of its star. That light told an incredible story. Spectroscopic data revealed carbon dioxide, water vapor, and possible traces of methane, all compounds linked to life as we know it. Temperature readings suggested a climate surprisingly similar to Earth's, neither too hot nor too cold. While this doesn't confirm life, it means Proxima b could support it. And that alone changes everything. Proxima b orbits within the habitable zone, that perfect Goldilocks region where liquid water could exist. It's about 1.3 times the mass of Earth, solid and rocky, not a gas giant. For years, astronomers have dreamed of seeing what such a planet looks like. Now, they finally have. The image shows bright, icy regions near the poles, darker areas that might be oceans or dense cloud layers, and a faint reddish tint cast by the light of its red dwarf sun. It's alien, but strangely familiar. For the first time, another world feels close. This single image marks a turning point in astronomy. It's no longer just about finding exoplanets, it's about understanding them. Webb's success with Proxima b proves we can now study planets orbiting distant stars in incredible detail, their weather, chemistry, and even potential biosignatures. And that means the search for life has entered a new phase. Not speculation, observation. What makes this achievement even more remarkable is the collaboration behind it. Astrophysicists, engineers, data scientists, chemists, all working in perfect harmony. Machine learning algorithms help reconstruct faint planetary light from billions of data points, turning a whisper of signal into a clear image. It's not just a triumph of optics, it's a triumph of human ingenuity. Webb's success doesn't end here. Scientists are already creating 3D climate models of Proxima b, estimating wind patterns, atmosphere circulation, and even the possibility of a magnetic field strong enough to protect it from stellar radiation. If it does have one, Proxima b could be far more Earth-like than we ever dared to imagine. And now, projects like Breakthrough Starshot, which aims to send tiny laser-powered probes to the nearest stars, finally have a destination. We're not just guessing where to go anymore. We know where to look. Philosophically, this discovery is nothing short of transformative. For generations, humanity has stood beneath the stars, gazing upward, asking the same timeless question: are we alone? From ancient astronomers who mapped the heavens with the naked eye, to modern scientists guiding telescopes that orbit millions of miles from Earth, This question has defined our curiosity, our creativity, and our desire to understand our place in the cosmos. Every culture on Earth has told stories about the sky, about gods, creation, and life beyond the known. But for the first time in human history, we are beginning to replace myth with evidence, and imagination with observation. And what the James Webb Space Telescope has shown us isn't just another point of light, it's a world, orbiting a nearby star, where the ingredients of life might be quietly waiting for the right moment to bloom. It's not just a scientific milestone, it's a mirror held up to our own planet, reminding us that life on Earth might not be the only chapter in nature's grand design. When you look at the image of Proxima b, you're not just seeing another celestial body. You're seeing possibility itself. A place where oceans might shimmer under the glow of a red sun, where winds might shape alien landscapes, and where, perhaps, something living stirs beneath unfamiliar skies. That thought alone redefines what it means to be human. Because every discovery like this brings us a little closer to understanding not just where we are, but why we're here. We are the universe looking back at itself, stardust learning to see. For centuries, our ancestors could only dream of such clarity. They built observatories of stone, watched the skies through primitive lenses, and wondered what lay beyond the limits of their sight. Now, in our lifetime, the veil is lifting. With Webb's powerful vision, we are stepping into a new era, one where the boundaries between imagination and reality begin to fade. It's a reminder that the cosmos is not silent. It speaks, in light, in gravity, in chemistry, and now, through the language of images that reveal the beauty of creation itself. The James Webb Space Telescope has given us more than a photograph. It's given us perspective, a sense of scale that humbles and inspires. It reminds us that our planet, our struggles, and our divisions are tiny against the backdrop of infinite space. And yet, it also reminds us that small doesn't mean insignificant. Because from this small world, we have reached out and touched the stars. Think about what that means. A species that once feared the darkness of the night sky has now built machines capable of capturing the light of another world. From the spark of fire to the spark of data transmitted across millions of miles. That is the story of us. Proxima b may be just one planet orbiting one small star, but it carries the weight of human hope. Hope that life is not rare, that we are not a cosmic accident, but part of something vast, something connected. And if that's true, then every discovery beyond Earth is also a discovery within ourselves. It challenges us to protect our own fragile world, to cherish the only home we know, even as we dream of others. So when you look at Webb's image, don't just see a distant planet. See a message from the universe itself. Keep going, because the story of exploration is far from over. In fact, it's only just beginning. The line between there and here has never been thinner. We are no longer confined to our solar system in thought. Our reach, our curiosity, and our courage have carried us across the stars. If this discovery fills you with wonder, then imagine what's still out there, waiting to be seen. The next world. The next question. The next answer. If you found this as awe-inspiring as we did, make sure to like this video, subscribe, and share your thoughts below. Do you believe Proxima b could really be another Earth? And if we could one day go there, what do you think we'd find? Every comment, every discussion, every shared thought keeps the curiosity alive, because exploration doesn't happen in silence. It happens when people like you ask, what if, and refuse to stop searching for the truth. Thank you for watching, and thank you for being part of this ongoing journey through the universe. The cosmos is vast. It is alive. And it is waiting for us. Stay curious, and we'll see you in the next episode, with more discoveries that will forever change how we see our place among the stars.